Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito na nga, yung Kontrabida Academy ay nasa number 3 na nga. Pero okay lang naman kasi 2 weeks na siya sa Netflix. So, okay lang kahit number 3 as long as nasa top 10. Kaya please continue to watch Kontrabida Academy para mapatagal natin siya sa top 10. At sana makagawa pa ng mga ganyang movie ulit si Barbie, no? Oo, sa Netflix. At next naman ay... Ayan. At next naman ay ito nga ay Instagram story ng Mighty Clean. Ayan nga, si Barbie Fortesa in different colors. Red, pink, blue, at green. At pinakagusto ko nga yung blue. Ayan ang daming curlers ni Barbie. Sana meron malaking picture nito, no? Ang cute ni Barbie. Ibang looks naman, naka-curlers ang kanyang buhok. At next naman, nga ay post ng David Troops official. Congratulations David Licauca, Distinct TV Actor of the Year in the 3rd Philippines Distinct Men and Women of Excellence 2025. Oy, wow. So parang bago lang tong awards na to, no? Ngayon ko lang siya narinig. At congratulations David. At next naman ay post ni Sir Nathan Perolino sa kanyang Instagram story, Bagyo ka lang, let's work. So, hinala namin ito pa rin yung sa taping ng Never Say Die ni David Licauco at saka ni Jillian Ward. At mukhang nasa resort nga sila, Sir Nathan. At next naman ay Instagram story ni Jameson Blake. Uy, grabe ang chest ni Jameson, no? At saka ang biceps, no? Ang ganda rin pala ng katawan ni Jameson, grabe. Ay, nako. Swerte yung pang-asawa nitong batang to, no? Napaka-cute niya, no? At saka napakaganda pala ng katawan. At next ay post ng Paulo Ruiz Studios at Roadhouse. Ayan, day 1 with Barbie Fortesa and David Licauco brought so much energy and chemistry to the Vitamilk campaign. Huge thanks to Vitamilk, Over the Moon, and Filmex for making it happen. This is just part 1. More soon. Episode on my YouTube channel. So, let's watch this. Ayan, puro pictures pala to, guys, no? So, ayan, si Barbie at saka si David nagjo-jogging. At next, ayan, so, David and Derek. Ayan. So, more pictures. At ito naman, Barbie Fortesa and David Licauco Vitamilk campaign day 1 from pick up to pack up with Paulo Ruiz. So nasa YouTube na yan, guys, no? Kinuha ko lang yung part ng video kasi gusto ko panoorin nyo rin yung actual video niya sa YouTube. Hindi naman ako katulad ng iba dyan, no? Diba? Para mataas ng views kukunin ko na yung buong video tapos papanood ko sa inyo. Hindi ako ganon, guys, no? At let's watch this.
Sa Camby, David will be helping Barbie move into her new apartment. So, obviously, we're still inside the studio, but our production designer was able to build this space. So, yun, di ba? It looks real. It happened. So, a lot of things will be happening here. So,
grabe, ang daming pictures ni Barbie doon, no? At, ayan, the pretty miss.
watch out for that. We revised a few camera. They're good.
Ayun. So, moving in an apartment pala si Miss Barbie Fortesa dito sa Vitamilk campaign.
Naman, like, very cooperative. Yan. May banggang ganon.
Okay, sige. Gawin natin sa darating ngayon.
So, ganun lang direct. Kasi syempre, di ba, pinauna ni Barbie si David kasi hindi siya cash door.
Oo.
So, baka dapat kahit hindi siya kasha, ipilit niyang pumasok siya.
Okay, para may mabangga.
Ayun na nga. So, bago pa man gawin ni Barbie tsaka ni David, gagawin muna nung AD, no? Yung assistant director. Sila muna yung mag-acting. Tapos gagawin ni, ni Barbie at David after that. So, yun na nga, gagawin muna ni assistant director. And then after that, dun gagawin ni Barbie at saka ni David, diba? So, may talent fee din si assistant director. Sila yung unang gagawa. At next,
So, tama. Pag, yan doon, lalampasan mo. And then, paglampas mo, gaganon ka.
Whoop! One big step.
Parang talagang,
Ito po si David, medyo his box.
yes. Para talaga, inunahan kita. Direct. Kasi next shot nun, sabay kayo magka-couch. Yun eh. So, ganon. Again, friendly competition, konting banggaan, pero hindi hostile, di ba?
Yes.
Hindi patayan, hindi ganun. So, kung
Na ulit yung
Action! And in 1,000, 1,000 out. And one cut. And action. Reach.
talaga si Barbie.
Okay, so we are in the running era scene, wherein David and Barbie will outrun or try to outrun each other. Pero syempre, cheeky, friendly manner lang. We're shooting everything against chroma because I have this idea na maybe yung background nila will move like the Flash when, the Flash runs, di ba? Like warp speed. Para to really push and communicate yung energy and speed nila together. And then we'll just compose the live talents, which are si Barbie and si David sa set. Para we can, again, control and manipulate the look of the whole scenario. So yun, that's why everything's chroma, tracker marks, and currently we're framing with Direct Jules and our cinematographer, Riel. Okay, I know na you guys came from mga puyat pa shows, pero you're here early, very much effective right away. Kamusta naman so far yung araw natin?
Okay naman, sobrang helpful na very lively kayong lahat. Tapos si Direct Jules and kayo po Direct. So nakaka-boost din ng energy na saktong-sakto kasi kailangan namin ng maraming energy kasi running pala kami ngayon. Mga runners pala kami today. Ikaw?
Yeah, same. At saka kita ko na everyone is respectful.
Oh, yeah.
Kayo, like,
Yeah.
you call each other sir. So it's really nice to be in this environment. Yeah.
Yun lang, so I don't wanna keep them so long kasi next scene na tayo. So salamat, see you again later. Alright? Running. Oh, you feel na you own this space. Oh, parang akong pinakamabilis, pinakamalakas na stamina. Tapos mamaya magulat ka, si Barbie, naunahan pa ako. So medyo garan, di ba? So parang, running for round.
Ayun nga, nakita nyo nandun din si Miss Diana kanina, no? So, dito sa Vitamilk commercial. Wala siya doon sa commercial, pero nandun siya sa... Binaba tayo si Barbie tsaka si David.
Ang bilis akong konti.
Yeah, okay naman yung delivery. Little did he know na ikaw,
Enter free.
enter frame, running away. Medyo nang parang taunting na parang you're trying to one-up him eh. Na parang mas wala pa. Pero yun yung feeling na parang kala mo ikaw lang I'm stronger runner than you. Tapos parang na one-up mo siya dito. Effective, I guess, the material. Tell us more about how you came up with this idea.
Actually, nung nalaman namin na Barbie and David yung talent namin for this, na-excite kami. And alam namin na yun yung parang life nung yung magiging dun iikot dun sa kanilang dalawa yung idea. So, dun kami nag-build and kaya kami nag-end up with Barda Gulan. Kasi that's Barbie and David eh. Yun yung dynamic nila. They're like Marvin and Jolina na nag-aasaran pero nandun yung kilig nilang dalawa.
Correct. Lastly,
Ayun na nga, kaya pala bardagulan yun nangyari. Sa bagay nga, sa MK kasi bardagulan din, di ba? Tapos kahit naman dun sa maging sino ka man, puro bardagulan. At kahit yung sa That Kind of Love, di ba? Doon sumikat si Barbie tsaka si David. So parang sa real life, nung una ganun din sila. Tapos nung huli, ayoko na mag-talk. Ay nako, ewan ko ba sa inyo?
that's it for day 1.
Yes.
May day 2 pa tayo.
Tomorrow, see you again.
Okay. Today we're here with Miss Barbie. We're done with all her scenes.
Ayun na nga, so may day 1 at saka day 2. Kaya pala 2 days na nag-shoot sila Barbie tsaka si David no. For Vitamilk pala lahat yun, guys.
For day 1. So, kamusta ka?
Ang saya, ang light ng set, ang efficient, tsaka very straight to the point yung instructions, kaya madaling sumunod.
Okay. We still have our second day tomorrow.
Yes.
So, are you ready? Are you excited? What are you feeling?
I am excited kasi ngayon alam ko na yung working environment natin. So I can't wait na makapag-shoot na ulit tomorrow.
Let's do this. Sige. Thank you. Sir David, we're
Yes,
done
Direk.
with the first day. Ganda na shots natin. You did all the requirements very well.
All because of you.
Ayun na nga, pagkasama nga ni David si Barbie, gumagaling siya ng todo, no? Iba talaga ang influence din ng Barbie Fortesa sa buhay ni David Licauco. So,
At napakagaling nyo, tsaka yung ating AD ay napakagaling, very respectful, very galing mag-motivate. Kaya kami naman ni Barbie, kaya gumagaling din kami, gaya ng sinabi nyo, direct, dahil din sa inyo, diba? So, yeah, I mean, really happy.
ba't parang pidel na naman yung tono ni David? Ba't parang pidel na naman yung tono ni David? Ano ba yan? Anyway, hindi maalis yung pidel sa kanya.
It's nice to be back working with Barbie and with Vitamilk, of course.
We still have our second
Hay nako, ewan ko sa'yo, David.
day. So, how do you plan to prepare mentally? Because, today is very much tiring, di ba? Nakapagod yung araw natin. So, tomorrow meron pa tayong mga 2 more stories to tell. So, how do you prepare for that?
Well, I'll just do my normal morning routine every day, as long as I stick to my system, as long as I work out, meditate, and all that stuff. I'll be okay with whatever I am doing, whether it's TVC shoot or teleserie shoot. So I never really change anything.
So, I guess we'll see you tomorrow again. Same energy, same powerful David. Maraming salamat, brother.
Maraming salamat, Direk.
Thank you, brother.
Ay, wow, may pa-flowers. May pa-flowers kay Barbie Fortesa. May pa-bouquet of flowers. Ayun na nga.
Sabay na, para...
Ano ba yun? Pansit ba yun? Or something? Or lumpia? No, hindi ko masyado nakita eh. Lumpia ba yun? Or pansit na binigay kay David? Ang dami naman. Welcome! Ayun na nga. So, okay, it's really nice na ayun nga magkasama si Barbie tsaka si David. Pero I think wala na silang wala na naka-announce na project sa kanila, no. So, yung endorsements, it depends kung magre-renew next year yung mga yung mga company, no, for their endorsements. Pero movie at TV projects wala talaga, guys, no, hanggang ngayon. So nakikibalita kami at wala pang updates about that, no. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, so that's until 2026, guys. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates in my next vlog. Bye!